kami ngayon mga par sa Masbate. Mga par, nasa loob na tayo ng ating zoo, Billabong Zoo. Spider-Man. Si mangot ah.
Picture mo. Camera.
Jurassic Pound mga par. Si Lolong oh. Wait lang par. Yun si Lolong yun ah. Itong laki. Wow. Crocodile ang puta na. Congressman. Hello Congressman. Balita. Kayo. Ba no? Paano kaya kung nabasag yan? Yari tayo dyan. Alam mo AI yung bar. AI. Balita. Balita kong natin. Tak kayo. Ano kong balita? Balita pa. Hindi lang, ang pikit oh. Balita sa'yo, boss. Ang kikit eh, no? Ang cute naman unggoy eh, oh. Lalaro dito. Hey, playtime. May mga oat. Oo, ba? Paano kaya nila nahuli yan, no? Si Lizard. Charizard yun eh. May camera ka. Hala, lagi siya, tumalun siya. Okay, may video ka. Nagtatakas ha. Kita ka dyan. Ayun, tropa yun. Belly and gold na. Pakita mo nga ako, talong ka nga. Talon! Dito! Talong ka! O pre, pakita mo nga ako pre, talong ka nga pre. O, tatalon. Pakita mo nga kami. O, talon. Ilalim. Nagkogo. O, talon ka nga pre. Oh, sugpo. Uy, pinakitaan tayo. Pasiklab.
I got my golem.
Pasiklab si Tropa, no?
Let's go.
Hey, underwater. Insya. Mag-asawa to. Little penguin. Nasaan ka dyan? Par, talong ka na dyan, par. Saan ka, par? Ayun! Pare, balita. Kamusta ang ano dyan? Yung kalakaran? Lamig? Sabi si Tropa.
Asan siya?
Ayun o, dyan. Phoenix box. Punta natin yung Phoenix box dito. Parang Egypt ang atake ha. Saan dito? Baka nandiyan ka lang, tatago ka lang ha. Ah, ito. Nilalamig si Tropa. Ah, par. Nilalamig. Tulog ka, par. Ang cute. Dito nga pala kami ngayon mga par sa Masbate. Southern Cassowaries. Hindi ako matanda. Kayo ha? Meerkat.
Nakita ko yung...
Ito yung meerkat.
Hindi, dito nga siya.
Par, bartel ka nga par. May tama ako. Ang laki ng pabo. Ano par, balita? Ano mukha siguro ito? Ang laki eh. Ano yung kamay ko? Diba? Ito yung kamay ko. Yung pabo. Ang laki diba?
Since. Now they are heading into their senior stage of life, so in a zoo we can expect them to live to around 15, and in the wild the lifespan is a bit shorter, around 10 to 12 years. Now hopefully as they come up nice and close to the front, you'll be able to hear their beautiful cheetah purr. So just like a domestic cat, that purr is a really good indication that they're feeling quite content and happy to be working with us. Cheetahs do make a variety of different vocalisations, ranging from a yip, chirr, stutter, hiss, snarl, growl, but one of the really unique sounds they make is a particular call that's called a chirp. Now the chirp literally sounds just like a high-pitched bird whistle, and the reason they make this particular sound is so that they can communicate with each other without giving away their presence to bigger predators such as lions and hyenas. So they do have the claim to fame of being the fastest land animal in the world. They are capable of reaching speeds of up to 110 k's an hour. Their acceleration is really incredible. They can go from 0 to 100 in just 3 seconds. Now the way that they're able to achieve these amazing feats of speed certainly comes down to the way that they have been created. So they've got a really streamlined body, really light skeleton that certainly helps. Beautiful long slender legs. They've got an increased heart and lung capacity to maximise their oxygen intake when they're sprinting. And their spine's incredibly flexible.
Dito na tayo sa saan siya par? Ano ata nag-CR. Red Panda, where are you? Yossi? Wala. Yan par, Red Panda par. Hello mga boy, kangaroo. Pwede picture ang kaya yan sila? Picture na tayo ayan o, may tropang kangaroo. Wala ang pagkain.
Pwede ba pumasok?
Bali po, 5 piso lang po pag pupasok. Picture mo ako par. Main ka dyan. Food trip.
Ay, sa floor, wag daw.
Ulit sa iyo.
Bigyan ko lang sila tumalon-talon.
They're both from Soraya's litter, and so they are, of course, 7
Dalawa
years
yun, no?
old as well.
Ayun.
Now, they are full adult size now. So, Misty the mum weighs in at 140 kilos, being our smallest
Oh,
lion.
dito yung
And then
pinaka-boss, ah.
Amari, he weighs in at 210
Oh, ayun nga na, boss.
kilos, being our largest. So, lions, they are the second largest out of all of the cats. Some of the tiger subspecies can be even larger. So the Siberian tiger can actually reach weights of up to 300 kilos out together. That's also going to be a lot harder for them to be able to successfully get their young to survive. Now throughout the day, hopefully you guys will be lucky enough to be able to hear our lions doing their beautiful roaring. It's an amazing sound that can actually be heard up to 8 kilometres away. And the reason that they roar, it is actually a really important territorial call. Now both male and female lions are capable of roaring. However, the males are definitely roaring hundreds of times more often than the girls. So in the wild, particularly if the females are raising cubs, they definitely don't want to be sounding their voice. They want to fly under the radar as much as possible, stay nice and quiet to keep their cubs hidden away. But the males, on the other hand, that roaring is a really important way of warning any other rivals to stay out of the territory. And they'll combine that with also doing a lot of scent marking. So we often get asked to at the zoo while we have the branches or the bushes throughout the enclosure, and that is purely there for the boys in particular to be able to scent mark on, because patrolling and scent marking the territory is a huge part of the lion's day. You'll also notice that our males do have quite beautiful manes. And so the mane on the adult male is actually a really important tool for him to help to attract the ladies. So it's quite interesting. The females do actually have quite a bit. The boys have these beautiful long dark manes, but that is what the girls are looking for. But that beautiful mane, it does actually come at a bit of a cost to the male in terms of heat. So having that massive mane, particularly if it's dark in colour, over his head and over his chest, physically is heating up those really important organs such as the heart and the brain. And so that male has to be genetically and physically strong enough to
Ay, laki niyan. Yeah. Kasi takil yung takil.